All right.
Okay.
Yeah, last one.
WCGW. What could go wrong? This is what happens if you try to attack a Ninja Master video clip. You better be ready for this one, Mo.
Is there sound? Music?
I don't know, maybe.
A Ninja Master.
Yeah, don't try to attack a Ninja Master.
That's a cat walking on a roof?
That's right. And the other cat says, let's go, let's beef.
Whoa.
And then he just hits the quick off the wall
Parkour.
ditch him. Later.
Wow.
Later, bud.
I thought that the black cat was done for.
Yeah, I mean,
Same.
the
Look
other
at
one
the,
had the upper hand. It came from the top, came with tremendous speed, but the ease at which the black cat hit the wall with the parkour and bounced over the gap with such confidence. Boom, boom. And it's a steel roof, so the grip is not great.
No, I was
which
just
is
gonna
why
say.
the other one took the dive all the way down off the building into the alleyway.
Mm-hmm. If you look at the black cat when he's trying to escape, go back a bit, Will. He couldn't escape either. Look how slippery it is.
Slippery.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah,
Whoa. And then, nice.
Then uses it to his advantage.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a beautiful move.
Well done, Ninja Master.
What does it teach you? Well, first of all, we spoke before about cats and how nimble they are. But second of all, never overestimate your position. Never assume that you have the upper hand because you might get ninja mastered. Your own force might get used against you.
But also, if you start slipping, sometimes it's best to lean into it, figure out a new plan.
Thank you, everybody, for joining here today. We really, really appreciate it. And it was like perfect timing because my iced coffee, it's like one drink left.
Wow, that's a
and you can see that my name was spelled improperly. And she apologized to me, actually. She said, because then I went to pay with the actual app, and then the real name comes up, and she's like, oh, I spelled your name improperly. She spelled Louis. I say, it's no problem. It's not a big deal. Yeah. That's what I said. It's Monday. It's only Monday. There's so much more that's going to happen this week. There's so much more that we're going to bring to you. If there's a ninja master anywhere in the world, you'll see it here. If there's a giant sturgeon that pops up in a waterway somewhere, you're going to see it here. If there's an upgraded geography map over who's Googling who, you're going to see it here.
Well, we definitely won't see Kmart again.
Really do.
Just had to say it.
Mo is back. He went to the movies 300 times in his break. He's back now. And he's running Ethernet cables.
Right.
He's keeping things connected. I know everybody's very happy to have you back here.
And we'll be back here again tomorrow.
Is that right, Mo?
Yep.
Mo says we're back tomorrow. I think it's a great idea. Who knows what the world has in store? I just know we'll be here to talk about it. Thank you.
Later.